What's going on, guys? Josh Sykes for OutdoorNewsAmerica.com. I just wanted to take a moment and welcome you to our YouTube channel. I think you will find a lot of content that you really enjoy. We've been in the firearms industry for 25 years now, and we've really learned a lot over those 2 decades. So we wanted to come on here and share some information with you guys. We wanted to share product reviews, overviews, and just a little bit of knowledge that we may have that may help you in making your purchasing decisions. A little bit about Outdoor News America. If you go to www.outdoornewsamerica.com, you'll see our blog there, and every day we post news and articles throughout the outdoor industry, whether it's hunting, shooting sports, fishing, camping, hiking, basically anything to do with the outdoors. We try to report on it on our blog. From the blog, you can also sign up for our monthly newsletter that comes out. Well, we actually send it out 2 or 3 times a month, but what we try to do is incorporate interesting articles and written product reviews in that eBlast newsletter. I think you'll really enjoy it. It's absolutely free, costs you nothing to subscribe. You just kind of got to be an outdoor enthusiast to really enjoy it, and I think that you will. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel below. Hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Any videos that we have that you want to comment on, leave us a suggestion. We would encourage you to do so. In the About Us section of the channel, I'll go ahead and put my email address as well as our contact information, as well as the address to our newsletter that you can subscribe to. I think you will enjoy it. I hope that you enjoy the product reviews that we do on our show, on our channel. We try to keep them short and to the point, but if there's anything you want to learn about, if there's anything that you would like us to get in the studio and talk to you about, please email me. Let me know. Leave us a comment. Let me know. I'm actually here in my office. I don't know if you can see behind me or not, but there's a couple of things I really enjoy collecting. One is toys, and the other is firearms. So who knows, we may do a toy channel in the future. I don't know, but I like collecting unique things and kind of bringing back some things from my childhood. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning into the channel. We really appreciate you, and we look forward to showing you new things on a weekly basis. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.